Let's begin.
Hi friends, I am Vipin Kumar Sharma from Zyra Technologies. Today I am going to present project named Gate Control using Arduino. In this project, we are simply using Arduino as the upper brain of the project, and we are using 9-volt batteries in parallel. Then we are using 7805 as a voltage regulator, which will provide 5 volt. And here we are using two buttons. One is for opening the gate and one is for closing the gate, and one for the buzzer. Okay, and this is very simple project. You can check description box for the project detail like project circuit diagram, block diagram, and how to buy this project and how can we help you in making this project. Okay, and thank you so much friend for watching the video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos and project ideas like this. Okay, thank you so much.